Welcome to FM 101.
We're back for episode 2, and what's it gonna be? What's it all about?
Breaking fast.
Okay.
So tell me, what is breaking fast all about?
Okay, so let's do a breakfast theme and using what's available in the supermarket or whatever you have in your pantry and
Okay.
making it into a small feast.
Yeah, that's great. So let's do it.
Okay. Split mature coconut and use it as a tropical fruit bowl. Garnish with fresh mint from the garden.
The watermelon was sliced in a pie-cut shape and it's displayed in a crisscross pattern. The kiwi has its skin on and it was cut with a paring knife like a V-cut just to make it picture perfect.
Nothing beats cantaloupe juice on ice for a Filipino refreshing drink. Upgrade it with champagne for a melon mimosa. Grab some special puto and grab some donuts. Nothing to waste and everything to enjoy.
We dry toasted pandesal with butter on a pan. Slowly we add the grated queso de bola. And once we've covered all, we cover the pan for a bit so we can serve them really hot.
We paired bowls of savory spreads. Quesong puti steeped in olive oil, sun-dried tomato, and fresh basil. And a longanisa rillette cooked in its own fat.
Notice how we mixed the platters and the cups to make a vast array of color and materials to enhance an already delightful spread. You know what? Don't worry, there are no rules. We can use a little of all we have.
What's a breakfast also without my favorite thick chocolate? Use an assortment of your teacups. Bring them all out, mix and match. No rules here.
Time to eat! What a great way of breaking fast! So yummy! Even ordinary mornings can be made extraordinary if done with love.
Start the day with a real feast of the senses. As they say, all happiness depends on a leisurely breakfast. We hope you enjoyed today's episode on breakfast.
Don't forget, like our video and subscribe to our channel FM 101.